AutoPlay in Windows 11. Windows 11 hides libraries by default and has a known autoplay bug affecting some builds. Here's how to get both working correctly. Enabling Windows libraries. By default, libraries are not visible in File Explorer. To re-enable them, press Win+R, type Control Folders, and hit Enter. Go to the View tab and scroll to the bottom. Check Show Libraries and click Apply. Libraries now appear in the File Explorer navigation pane. Each library is a virtual container that points to one or more physical folder locations, local, network, or OneDrive paths, without moving files. Adding folders to a library. Right-click any library properties, add a folder. You can include folders from multiple drives. The library index updates automatically so search results pull from all included paths. Configuring AutoPlay. AutoPlay triggers when Windows detects newly connected media, USB drives, SD cards, or optical discs. Navigate to Settings, Bluetooth and Devices, AutoPlay. Toggle Use AutoPlay for all media and devices to on. Under Removable Drive, set a default action, e.g., Open folder to view files. Under Memory Card, assign actions like Import Photos, Photos app, fixing AutoPlay not working. If AutoPlay doesn't trigger on insert, it's likely a bug in your Windows 11 build. Fix it by go to Settings, Bluetooth and Devices, AutoPlay. Toggle the switch off, wait 5 seconds, toggle back on. Reconnect your device. If the issue persists, check for pending Windows updates via Settings, Windows Update. Want a thumbnail image or meta description?